This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Audacity. So Audacity, the popular audio editor, I'm right here on the Audacity downloads page, so you can find it at audacityteam.org/download. Now, I will of course put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click that and you'll wind up here and you won't need to search or anything like that. So 3 different options, 3 different flavors. We've got the Windows option, the MacOS option, and the Linux option. So there's a 32 and a 64-bit and an ARM64 actually with Windows, the universal binary with the macOS, and a 64-bit with the Linux. So I'm on a Mac, so I am going to choose Mac. Obviously, if you're on Windows or Linux, you're going to choose those packages instead. So let's click on the one that we want. Now we have a whole load of options right here, so we can go with the Audacity installer, so this is recommended, but if you specifically want the universal DMG, the ARM64, or this x86-64 DMG for the Intel chips, you can go with that one. This is for the Apple Silicon, which is actually what I've got, but we're just going to go with a straightforward option. In this case, we're just going to go with the recommended, the Audacity installer, so we click on that. And depending on your browser, that installer will be sent to the downloads location indicated by your browser. I have Google Chrome, so it will go to the downloads folder on my Mac. So that has been a very straightforward video on how to download Audacity. Hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.